Hey, what's up? Welcome to another tutorial. We are going to do wiggle expression to give a random effect. Assuming you give a wiggle to a layer opacity, right? It will act like a faulty projector, or it will give you a flicker effect. Alright, and of course you can give a wiggle to other attributes as well, giving other effect attributes. Okay, now I'm going to drop in my background. Right, I'm going to drop in my background and then go in the opacity by pressing T on my keyboard. Now, for us to apply the wiggle effect, you have to hold down Alt on your keyboard and then click on the stopwatch. Okay, so as you can see, the stopwatch now has given me the script where I'm going to type wiggle. Okay, probably your After Effects may not have this menu as it draws, because I'm using the After Effects 2020, right? So previous ones don't have this call out menus, as you can see. So if you don't see it, don't worry, you just type wiggle like this with opening close curve brackets. Then I'm going to give it a variable, so a frequency and an amplitude. The variables that I'm giving is the frequency and the amplitude, so I'm going to give it a frequency of 10, then comma, and then an amplitude of 50. So now let's hit play, and this is how the effect will look like. Okay, so as we saw it, that's the wiggle on the opacity. Now we can make it more fun. You can make it more fun by putting another wiggle on an effect. So I'm going to call in Gashinger. As I said earlier, when you can wiggle almost every attribute, okay, almost every attribute. Some attributes you need to add more script to attach to the wiggle before you see the effect. So this is what we're doing. Now, holding down Alt on my keyboard, then I press the stopwatch for the blur and then give it a wiggle, right? Same wiggle. And this time around I'm going to give it a frequency of 20 and a 90, right? And remember, the 20 is the frequency and the 90 is the amplitude. Now this is the effect we get. Okay, now let's try to add another wiggle again on the scale or the position. So with the position, it will give you more exciting movement. So I'll press P on my keyboard, then Alt again and click. Alright, so I give it a wiggle. Now I give it a frequency of 5 and then an amplitude of 9. Right? So now this is the effect it will give. As you can see, the image is blurry and flickering and moving at the same time, right? So yes, of course, the frequency and the amplitude is small, and intentionally made it out so that you want to jiggling. So this is the effect you get. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial on wiggle. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to receive. And don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you very much.